What's the meaning of balloon? Balloon. Balloon.
Balloon. Balloon. The word balloon refers to an inflated rubber or plastic bag that can be filled with gas, typically helium, causing it to rise and float in the air. Balloons are often used for decoration, celebration, and communication purposes, and they come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. They are also commonly used in scientific experiments, weather monitoring, and as a means of transportation in hot air balloons. In popular culture, balloons have been featured in movies, cartoons, and artwork, often symbolizing joy, happiness, and whimsy. Balloons are a ubiquitous part of modern society and have a long and fascinating history.